Nothing. Oh, remember I said hot catalytic converter?
Yeah, I said that.
Grass.
I said that in one of my movies.
Oh no.
But that plane circling around there, Gary says that's a bird dog, which just sort of directs everyone fighting the fire.
Are you zoomed in on it?
As far as I am, yeah. But
look, there's a fresh plume coming up. Hey, look at that white.
yeah. And Gary got his wish because he was hoping we'd see one.
Well, I ordered it.
Yeah.
I know our signals.
Yeah. And there's the plane circling around again.
See now, this here, this fire district,
Yeah.
is the Kamloops Fire District,
Oh yes.
and the water bombers are based out of not Clearwater. I can't remember. They're not even close.
Yeah.
I guess 40 minutes by plane.